Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte is the voters' choice for president in the latest nationwide survey conducted by the SWS. Duterte emerged as the top choice for president of voters in all socio-economic classes and majority of geographic areas. Duterte was favored by 38% of the survey respondents, with Senator Grace Poe and Vice President Jejomar Binay tied at second place with 21%. Former DILG Secretary Mar Rojas was fourth with 15%, and Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago last with 4%. The survey, with 1,200 respondents, was commissioned by a Davao-based businessman.
Meanwhile, Senator Poe is unfazed by the drop in her ratings in the latest SWS survey. Poe sees this as a sign for her to exert more effort to get the support of the voters. She also says that the disqualification cases filed against her are affecting her survey ratings. Jade Miguel tells us more.
Senator Grace Poe said she respects the outcome of the recent survey, from which she only placed second to Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. In the said social weather station survey released this Monday, Duterte got 38% preference rating, while Poe and Vice President Jejomar Binay tied in the second place with 21%.
Importante na pakinggan natin at galangin ang hinanaing ng ating mga kababayan. Ito talagang importante natin dapat gawing gabay sa mga mensahe natin.
However, Poe said she was not surprised at the result and will instead continue in doing her job. The slew of disqualification cases filed against her candidacy might have also affected the poll result.
Pag-aaralan, sa tingin ko, may malaking dahilan din dyan. Siyempre, hindi rin alam ng ating mga kababayan kung tuloy ba ang laban natin. Para sa akin naman po, tuloy po yung laban natin.
In spite of the said actions being done to eliminate her from the race, Poe said she will continue her fight and even left a message for COMELEC with regard to the decision of its second division to disqualify her from running as president.
Hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta lamang magtanggal ng mga tatakbo at pag hindi ito makatarungan, sapagkat ang susunod na leader ay mas lalong mahihirapan kung walang tunay na mandato.
With the new motion for reconsideration filed by her camp at the COMELEC against the said ruling, Poe urged the poll body to also scrutinize their documents and not solely rely on her certificate of candidacy in 2013. For the People's Television, this is Jade Miguel reporting.